Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. In today's video I will be answering a question from one of my students. They asked how to send a layout from the Gerber software to the plotter. So if you have been watching these videos and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a quick moment to hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. First, you need to open up your specific layout, then simply go to File and click on the Send to Plot button. This will bring up a window called Marker Plot. Just wait a brief moment and the Marker Plot window will appear. Now here's what you need to do next. Look up at the very top. You'll see a View button here on the menu bar. There's a View button right here. Now click on the command called Plot Option, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H. In this window for the File Type section, please select HPGL for me, which means this file is specifically for the plotter machine. If you switch to the HPGL file format, then any standard Office printer available can print it for you. Next, in the default direction section, carefully select the specific destination drive where you want to export this HPGL file. Here, for example, I'll choose Drive D, then click OK. The following field you will see is File Name. If you want the name of this diagram to be more descriptive and detailed, you can select and enable the long file name option. For the next line, select the first option for me. Below that, just leave the default settings as they are. After that, click OK. So now you have set your diagram to be saved by default to the D drive when you print it out. Moving forward to the next part, which is the default plot section. Here, you should select one of the available preset configuration options in Marker Plot that you installed with the software. Next is the export direction section, where you can select the specific drive that you set as the default above. Then, in the annotation section, you can select any specific note or comment that you might want to include, and you can select any annotation. After that, click Open. And at this specific point in the process, you will click the Process All Marker button, and you will see in the status column that there are words like Success. That means you have successfully exported this entire diagram to the D drive, and now you will open the schematic printer control panel and click on the exact location where you have designated to export the schematic. There, this is exactly the schematic that you exported from the Gerber software to the schematic printer's control panel. And at this point, you just need to turn on the printer and press the print button for me to finish the job. That way the printer will print this schematic for you. If you find my shared video helpful, please click the subscribe button below this video. Goodbye everyone, see you again in my next sharing videos.